Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio and commentary language on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to your home screen. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will be taken to the settings page. Within this page, underneath customization, you will see the commentary and SFX option. Tap on the edit button at the right side, and now you can download the stadium atmosphere sound effects as well as choose the commentary language. Tap on the download button at the right side for the language pack that you want to download, and then tap on the start button. This will now begin the download of the language pack for the language that you just selected. Once it has been downloaded, just tap on it to enable the language, and now when you start playing your matches, you will notice that the commentary and audio will all appear in the language that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio and commentary language on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.